What's going on, folks? I want to make this video to show you what the problem is, just in case for some reason you keep having a drip coming out your shower head, or it's coming out of your actual tub sprout itself down there. The problem a lot of times is right here is your actual where you turn your water on and off at. It's called your cartridge right there that basically can go bad, and when that goes bad, it'll allow for the water to constantly drip no matter how much you try to press down on it. It'll keep on dripping. So what you got to do is change out this cartridge that's inside of her. It's a pretty simple job, and to do it, what you want to do is, first of all, you have to turn the water off going to the bath. So if you know where your valve's at, go ahead and turn your water off to it. And once you've got that turned off, if you don't know where it's at, you may want to turn it off to the whole house just to be sure. Also, if you don't turn it off and you take off this valve right here, this cartridge inside of here, the water's going to spray out everywhere. So once you got it turned off, the next thing you want to do is, a lot of times you'll have like a little cover that's over the top of your handle like that. You just want to pop it out, flathead screwdriver or something like that, and behind it what you'll normally have is a screw. On this one, it's a Phillips head screw. You want to go ahead and take off your handle, and once you do that, I'll show you what you got to do next. So once you do that, you can take like your Phillips head screwdriver, and normally you could just take out this screw. Your handle comes off just like that. You'll take that handle off, and once you've done that, the next thing you're going to want to do is actually remove your cartridge. On different ones, it's different ways. This is what your cartridge looks like right here. So make sure you have the right type of cartridge that goes in. So you might want to look at what type you got. This is and once you've done that, on different ones, there's different ways that they come out. On this one, okay, so once I have that off, now what I'm doing is, you can see on this one, I'm just screwing this piece off right here. Some of you may have different ways, so you want to check the one that you got. So on this one, you just want to screw this off like that. And once you took that off of it, what you'll see is your shower cartridge. Now what you want to do is just kind of wiggle this out. Could be kind of stuck in there somewhat, but you want to kind of wiggle this out. Alright, if you can see right now, we got this shower cartridge out of here. This one was actually broken, where half of it was still stuck way up inside of there, and the first half basically came out. So if that was to happen, pretty much what you may need to do is just grab you like a pair of needle nose pliers, what I had to use to kind of dig in there, and pull out the other shower cartridge, the old one. And if you look at your shower cartridge on your new one, what you should see is like a little piece right here sticking up, which should line up right into this piece right here when you're putting the new one in. Also, what you want to do is make sure that you see like all these little rubber pieces right here. You want to kind of look down there to make sure you still don't have one of the old rubber pieces that's left inside of her, because if you do, it may not allow it to make a good connection. So like I said, you want to look in there and make sure, because you should have two rubber pieces on it. The other one that was on this one actually broke. That rubber piece that was on this one, the other one, actually was broken on it. So that's why, but I got all of it out. Like I said, it came in half, so I had to reach down there with some needle nose pliers and pull it out. But once you've done with that, pretty much what you want to do now is just go ahead and take your new shower cartridge, and you're going to want to look at your new one, and you want to look at it and find that piece that sticks up. See on this one right here? And also you want to make sure you have your rubber pieces on it right here, as well as make sure you have your two rubber pieces in the back. It should be two of them in the back like that. Then when you do that, you just want to take it, you want to line it up, and you want to press it all the way back into where that little piece right there goes into that little notch right there. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and put your little metal screw piece back on it, tighten that back down. And then you could go ahead on and I would say, before you put your handle back on, go ahead and turn your water on to make sure everything's working right, nothing's leaking around it, before you put your knob back on it. But pretty much this is how you would be changing out your shower cartridge that's inside of your shower, just in case for some reason it keeps leaking at your shower or at your actual sprout down here. Your problem is this right here, which is called your shower cartridge. There's multiple different ones of them, so you may want to find, I think this is an Elger. That's what it is, an Elger shower. So you will make sure you get the ones that fit the one for yours. What you may want to do is go ahead and take the old one out. That way you can get a look at it and maybe put it back in until you get the new one, or just take the old one to some type of plumbing store or something like that and match it up to the right size for the new one you're going to get. And like I said, make sure you turn the water off and make sure that before you put this one back in that you have these rubber pieces that's on there. It should be 2 in the back like on this one and 2 around the neck of this one right here. But make sure you double check that. Alright folks, once again, this is how you will be changing out your shower cartridge, just in case for some reason your shower keeps on leaking. Even you try to turn it off, it keeps on dripping. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks.